Thank you. Climate change. First, let us know what is climate. The composite or generally prevailing weather condition of a region as a temperature, air pressure, humidity, precipitation, sunshine, cloudiness, and winds throughout the year. Average over a series of years is known as climate. Climate change includes both global warming, the ongoing increase in global and average temperature and its wider effects on our climate system. Climate change in a broader sense also includes previous or long-term change of climate. Thank you.
Now I request Kumaruddin to come on the stage and talk on causes of climate change.
Thank you. Causes of climate change. Generating power. Generally, electricity and heat by burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas cause a large chunk of global emissions. Most of electricity is still produced from fossil fuels. Only about a quarter comes from wind, solar, and other renewable sources. Manufacturing goods. Manufacturing and industry produce emissions mostly from burning fossil fuels to produce energy for making things like cement, iron, steel, electronics, plastics, clothes, and other goods. Cutting down forest. Cutting down forest to create farm or pastures or other reasons causes emissions and destroying our Earth's atmosphere. Using transportation, mostly cars, lorries, ships, and planes run on fossil fuels. That makes transportation a major contributor of greenhouse gases. Especially carbon dioxide emissions cause more pollution. Thank you.
I request Chamanyibu to come on the stage and talk on its causes of climate change.
Thank you. Producing food requires energy to run with fossil fuel. When crops can also cause emissions and produce methane or powerful greenhouse gas and emissions also come from packaging and distributing food. Or buildings. Globally, residential and commercial buildings consume over half of all electricity. As they continue to draw coal, oil, and natural gases for heating and cooling, they emit significant quantities of greenhouse gas emissions. Consuming too much, our home and used to power, how you move around, what you eat, and how much you throw away all contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. So does the consumption of goods such as clothing, electronic, and plastics. Thank you.
Next, I request Jambasunam to come on the stage and talk on the effect of climate change.
Thank you. Effect of climate change. First, temperature increase. Global warming and rising average surface temperature. The Earth's average temperature has increased by 1.2 degrees Celsius to 1.3 degrees Celsius. Seeing the late 1800s with 2024 beginning the warmest years on record. 2. Extreme weather. More frequent and intense heat waves, floods, drought, storms, wildfire, tornado rain, cyclone, and hurricanes. Third, rising sea levels, melting glaciers, ice age, and the expression of warming ocean contribute to rising sea levels, exacerbating storm surge and coastal flooding. Fourth, ecosystem impact, change in ecosystem, threats to biodiversity and impact and agriculture and human societies. It also alterline migration and life cycles. Thank you.
Next, I request Sangat Dev to come on the stage and talk on how to prevent for climate change.
Thank you. To prevent climate change, you must admit that climate is everyone's problem. No agency, government, our scientists can fix it for us. We are all in this together because of our lifestyle and habits. So our habit to exploit nature has to change. Step 1. Save energy at home. Much of our electricity and heat are powered by coal by coal and heat oil and heat gas. Step 2. Change your home's source of energy. Step 3. Switch to an electricity vehicles. Step 4. Consider your travel. Step 5. Reduce, reuse, repair and recycle. Step 6. Eat more vegetables. Step 7. Throw away these foods. Thank you.
Lastly, I request Maunga to come on the stage and talk on the effect of climate change.
Thank you. Climate change is the most severe problem that you are facing today, more serious event of terrorism. Global warming threatens our health, our economy, our natural resources, and our sacred resolve. Hello, you have some servant for climate change. Thank you.
Save our planet, save our future. Global warming is heating up our planet. Protect the planet, preserve life. Our planet needs us. Let's act fast. Let's make our planet green again. Thank you.